Hello everyone and welcome to a beautiful Halloween crafting adventure. We are going to dive into the world of crochet with this beginner-friendly tutorial on how to create these wickedly stylish skull earrings just in time for Halloween. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming crochet tutorials and holiday-inspired projects. Now without further ado, let's embark on this creative journey together and crochet up some Halloween magic. First of all, we will look into the things needed. I'm going to be using this color of yarn today, along with the 1.5mm steel crochet hook, and we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 6mm jump rings, the yarn needle, the pair of scissors, and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Now let's see how to crochet this. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this and insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with the magic ring. Now chain 3 to start the round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the third chain. And then we need to work 7 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. Like that we will complete all 7 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work another double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work another double crochet into the magic ring. After that, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, like so. After that we need to work a slip stitch into the third chain from the start. This is the third chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round. This is what we have done. And then start round 2 by chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work a half double crochet increase into the next stitch, which means we need to work 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed 2 half double crochets into the first stitch. Again, work 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and then work another increase into the next stitch. One and 2. Again, work 1 half double crochet into the stitch after that, and then work 2 half double crochets into the stitch here, 1 and 2. Then again 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 half double crochets into the last stitch here, 1 and 2. After that, we need to work 5 single crochets into the chain 5 space here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again, this is the second single crochet, 3, 4 and 5. After completing 5 single crochets, we need to work 5 double crochets into the chain 3 space in the middle. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After completing 5 double crochets, we will work 5 single crochets into the chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we will put a slip stitch into the second chain from the start to join. Insert the hook into the second chain from the starting point. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the second round as well. And then we will do the outline. Chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop. Again, chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the stitch after that. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop. Again, chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the stitch here. Now this is the exact pattern we are going to repeat. After completing the outline up to here, we are going to make the mouth of the skull. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 4 stitches. One, two, three, and 4. After that, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the stitch after that here, and then continue to work the outline until the starting point of the round. Chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 1 and a slip stitch. Again chain 1 and a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the starting point over here. With that, we have completed the third round as well. Now leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off like so, and this is what we have completed. Then we will use our yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. Now we have completed the skull. Now let's see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First of all, take your jump ring and open it up using the pliers. Now insert the jump ring into the stitch on top of the skull over here, and we will put the hook ear wire also in, and then secure that with the pliers like this. And we will complete the other earring also just like the same. Now we have completed the pair of earrings. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. Thank you very much for watching Hiru Handmade.